Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my brand new channel Kiran Vlog in English with your host Kiran. Today we are visiting the most famous bazaar, Ichra Bazaar in Lahore. As you all of you know that it is one of the most best place to find beautiful fancy dresses for your wedding and jewelry and shoes and kids clothes and many more. And now you can also find out the brand new Al Karam sweaters also there in local bazaar like Ichra Bazaar, and there is a huge collection of cute handbags for kids. And now let's start our main visit to the Ichra Bazaar, in which you find out the most you can say that most beautiful dresses for your weddings. And there is also a good news for my international viewers that I can buy for you. If you want any good cloth or dress you want to buy, you can send me your details, just like screenshot, and I will buy it for you, and I can deliver it throughout the world, from where you want to where you are living. I can deliver it for you. That's a very good news for my international customer. Let's start. Just look at this beautiful velvet dress. There is a cash work on the neck and the border, and there is a very just like, seriously, I'm not just speaking like it's a beautiful. You can also see that there is a four-sided cash work on their shawl or chadar, you whatever you want to say, or dupatta. There is a so beautiful and just like look like a elegant. Wow, seriously, it's wow dress. And the price range is just around about 7,000. And the next one is a pluchy dress. As you all know that there is a most famous in Lahore or Pakistan, pluchy dresses are very common and a little bit about to be expensive, just like its price range is also about 7,000, and it has a very good or beautiful color in it also. You can see there is a very beautiful color, just like skin and many more other else. And now we can see the other fancy dresses also. And now look at this red dress, just like it's very beautiful. And I can say, I think so, it's all about the velvet. And the next one is net with cut dana. As you already know that in Pakistan it's most trending cut dana work on the fancy dresses, and this is also a very beautiful, and the length of the dress is also very good. If you are well heighted, then you can wear it. And this red dress is just taken my heart. It's just like most beautiful one. And the stuff is just like bamboo chiffon, and the whole dress is covered with that red cash. And it's looking wow, I just love it. And the next one is also many more other fancy dresses, but the last one, as you see, the color is very looking very elegant. And I just want to share my own thoughts and my own experience. Just it's beautiful, and it also has many other colors regarding these fancy dresses, as you already seen there. And these are all our other colors, and I will show you the main shop visit if you want to buy it personally by themselves. So then I will show you the cards of that owner. And it's also saying that we can deliver it online. So that's a good news. If you want to buy themselves for them, then it's also has a good opportunity for you. And this dress is about to shisha work, that is most famous there. I just thinking that it's a kardana, but not that. It's a shisha work. And the second one is you can see it's in green in color, and it's also have a gota work by hand. by handmade gota work is also done in that dresses. And the next one is its dupatta is very 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 beautiful, and its border just like you can see that. And it has two main design. I can show you there. The one is that the border is just like be you can see, you can say that it's very net type. And the second one is that in orange. And second first one is that. And the fabric is, I can tell you, I want to tell you seriously, it's a cardinet dress. And the price range almost 6 to 8,000 in between. There's not much more expensive rather than you can thinking. Or its price maybe become or more lesser if you visit that shop. Or if you want to buy them, then Pakistan is full of bargaining. If you are a good at bargaining, you can take all of your stuff with a good price in a cheaper price. Now let me show you the card of that shop, so you can buy it by themselves or visit there and you can find out. That is the main name of the that shop, Hifza Boutique. And the WhatsApp number or all of the thing is I can show you completely. I hope you guys are enjoying. Now moves to the next shop. It's all about the you can say that sweaters or jerseys or jackets. It's a very good price, in cheaper price as compared to if you are going to visit brands or anywhere else. Ishra is most famous. If you are good at bargaining, you can gain or you can collect good stuff with cheaper price. Let me show you one more thing there. It's all about the Al-Karam jersey and sweater or jersey. It's a original Al Karam by the shopkeeper. As you see, there is a tags, and also all of the things shows that it is an original piece of Al Karam. And the shopkeeper says that its original price is about 17,000 if you buy it on their Al Karam store. And as you already know that we are in Ichra Bazaar and it's very cheaper, and I'm just bargain with the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper now said that it's only for you, it is in on 10,000 rupees. 10,000 maybe a brand doesn't give you as a much cheaper rate, but Huzefa Garments with kids collection shows that it is much more cheaper in rates. Now comes to the bedding, as it has a bedding for the winters, just like a blanket set. As you already know, blanket set includes a blanket bed sheet with pillows and blanket. And I'm just taking it as in parts. And let me explain you what means by me. It's a part. I want to buy a pillow set, just like a bed sheet set, and just come there to match a blanket with that bed sheet. And that's a major, you can see, you can say that the Pakistani housewives have a jugaad system. In Urdu you can say that they she can connect much more things with their minds and get these things. If you buy a full blanket set with their bed sheet or pillow or something else, that comes to be 20,000 in range. But when I am just matching out the blanket with the bed set, then it's almost to be 6 to 7,000 original rate. And I just thinking it's much more cheaper if you bargain. And then you can be a good you can say that you can be a good collector, you can be a good with a good bed set. As you already know that housewives loves to decorate their houses with the bed sheet and pillowcase, and that's the best place for you. As you already know that there is an other bedsheet also there, in which cotton satin and a wedding set, and multani bedsheet, and these all bedsheets have different prices according to their stuff, but all their prices range almost to be just like the complete bed set has 10 to 15,000, 10,000 maximum, just maximum 10,000 or below 10,000, not more than 10,000. Then it may be, if you are good at bargaining, you can do it 7 5,000, you can get all of this stuff. And I just love it or like it, the multani bedsheet, as it is very long lasting. I am also using in my own house, and multani bedsheet, and I just love it. This man also have another set of bedsheet that is 1500. In 1500 you can buy two bedsheet, that is much more cheaper rate, and I am showing the number of that place, that if you want to buy, then you can contact them. And now comes to the another stall, that is a handbag stall. Actually their prices are mentioned, as you already seen that, and the variety is much more as compared to the other. And you can see that in I think so, 1000 or 750 range, I'm just forgetting, you can see there. And there is a much more variety in on their store, but that also have different prices, 2500. All of these stuff you can see in there. Handbags have a huge collection, just like in wedding you can use it, and it's a very good, has very good space in it. You can use it as a, as if you are a mother, you can take your kids clothes also there. If you are college going and university going student, you can also take that handbags also. And it has different prices, just like 1500, 2500, and all of that. But I really like that kind of handbags, as I am a mother of three children, mashallah. Then I really like that kind of stuff. Just you look at these stuff, these all about 1500 on sale items, and it's looking very cute and very just like, I have no words how much I really like it. But I want to buy one of them for my daughter, but I didn't at that time, and I'm neglecting myself why I haven't purchased it. Just like sometime you have that, you are in that condition, that you can buy it, but after that when you're not buying it, you are just considering or blaming yourself why you are not. So that I'm in that condition right now. But inshallah soon I'll again visit there, and I will inshallah buy it for my daughter also. And it's a very good collection. And there is also a very handy handbags, you can say that, if you are visiting some office going girls, if you are, and college or university girls, then you can take these handbags. And I just like it, and I am just telling the shopkeeper, please let me show one of them, then I can show you guys that what kind of the stuff it has, and what kind of the space range it has. I really want to show you all of the things, that the space range, the prices, and the quality, all of these things. The video that I want to make it for you, that it's been a very helpful for you guys. And now moves to the next. I just love that kind of bag. The shopkeeper says that it is also now using by both boys and girls, but it is known as, and in my times when I was in college, it is only used for umrah, just like the people who are going for umrah that are using to. But now it's been used by boys and girls. Now comes to the jewelry. I just love that, and it is specially designed for the mehndi and mayo, and its price range is almost about to be 800 and 750. These two only na. And the this one is about to be 1500 by the shopkeeper, and it is very beautiful in color, actually this is very unique, as you already seen that kind of the design or jewelry or mayo jewelry, but this is unique, and this is like a neck piece and jumber and matha patti. It's a very just like Biana, looking wow and beautiful. Now comes to the rings. It has a different price range of rings, almost 200 or 150 ring. Each ring has its price, and it's also has accessories like hairs and jura or payal set and pajeb footwear, you can say that, and many other things. It has a huge collection and a huge variety of earrings, also jewelry also, and its price ranges are different. No one can say that it is just like I can tell you the price range in between, so you can easily not differentiate. The price range of these earrings is almost 300 per pair. Maximize or minimize, you can do it. If you can bargain by themselves, then it will be minimized more, but the shopkeeper, it is said that it's almost to be 350 and 350 and 250 range, but it's a very unique and very beautiful. As you all can see that it's a very trending nowadays. Now moves to the next. It also has a very beautiful jewelry for the wedding. If you are going to be a bride soon, inshallah, then you can also come and visit there. It's a very good for the gifting. If you want to gift someone jewelry, you can also visit there. It has a huge collection there, and I can show you the exact phone number of that person. This kind of stuff is very common in Pakistan and Lahore in nikah. You can say that there is a huge variety of jewelry there, and all of that pieces are very unique and lovable. You guys also enjoying my video, I hope so. Now comes to the phone number of that shopkeeper, Aisha Jewelry, and you can note it. It is located in Ichra main bazaar. And now comes to the abaya. I really love to wear abaya, and for my, I just want to show you what kind of abayas are there. There is a huge variety of abayas there, and this shop is very well known in and very well famous. You can say that Markazul Abayat, its name, and it is shown the card of. I am just showing you guys with the card and their phone number. Now comes to the abaya. There is a huge variety of abaya, just like simple abaya and wedding abayas. There is a huge collection. There is a huge variety, and all of the abaya that you can go and go for umrah and for hajj soon. Then you must go and visit that place. This is a that abayas are so congested and so that it is very difficult to come and check one of them. That shows there is a huge collection. You can also know the price range in between of these abayas that I am showing now. It's all about the 1500, and this is very reasonable price in my thinking. And the sleeves with the elastic, so that your sleeves are not going to move anywhere when you are going. And the abayas collection are very good and very just like looking prettiest. The flower shape, the what kind of abaya you love to wear, you have the choice to go there, this shop, and you can get that abaya very easily and very economical range, not very cheaper, just in economical range. Look at this abaya. This is that abaya can be used for a wedding purpose, just like if you are going to be a bridal soon, then you must have this abaya in your wedding luggage, or just like that. So there is a huge collection. I can't show you, but I just want to give you an idea that there is a huge collection of abayas, shawls, and also the strollers, all of that kind of stuff. and I really like that kind of abayas there. Seriously, I'm also visiting there, and for my abaya section I am taking my abayas from there. So that's the reason I'm showing you this shop, because it has a huge variety, seriously. And that's the name of that abaya center, Markazul Abayat. Main If you want to go there, there is a very recent or very close to the main Ichra Bazaar. You can ask anyone where is its location. Anyone can tell you. As I already told you that it's a very famous, and the black abaya are just, I love that. I just want to wear from the very soon, and still I love to wear black abaya. I think that it is a very good to wear abaya, just like black in color. You feel very comfort, and you can easily go anywhere you want to go. Now, so in my thinking, in my opinion, in my choice, I love to wear black abaya. There is a huge collection of strollers, just like guys, there is a very well silk or velvet shawls, or just like you can say there strollers. There are very huge collection, and it's all price range about to be 1000 minimum, 1000 to 1500 maximum. Now in between I don't still remember what kind of the price, but I'm sure that 1000 to be 1500 the price range is. And now comes to that abaya. I just love that abaya. It's been a very long and wide, and I'm just seriously I'm telling you my one of my secret. I'm using it in my pregnancy. When I am pregnant and I have to go somewhere, then I'm using that kind of a abaya. It's a very wide, and the frill you can see there, it's a very long, and you can use it anywhere you are going, and you feel so comfort, and you don't have any kind of worrying, just like I am that kind of part is my showing and not. And it also has a very soft colors, just like a light pink with some of its embroidery. And the other abayas that all of you know that in Pakistan it is very trending, that kattana. And this abaya also have kattana, or small stalls there. And its price range is 2800, maximum 3000 to 4000, 25000 to 4000. You can get any kind of abaya from there, and any kind, just like a premium quality. You can say that if it can be used for the wedding purpose and anything else. So I am just thinking I just want to take one of them, and I really want to have one of these abaya. You guys just tell me what color should I have to use. Now should I change the color black or not? Give me your opinion in my comment box. I inshallah soon will be soon reply to your comments, inshallah. It's been a very just appreciation for me if you are commenting on my comments section. And that kind of abayas are coming very unique or trending. You can see there is a cut work, like and its price range is 3700. I am just telling you before that 4000 range. In 4000 range you can get any kind of abayas from there, and it's a very premium quality. And these kind of abayas are used very long time. It's mean year, 2 year, 5 years even you can use. So it's not a bad deal. I hope you are getting my message clearly. I am not very fluent in English, but I am trying to be best soon, inshallah. If you like my video, then please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.